Good morning, day 17 of 75 Hard. Did you know that currently the average human being processes 74 gigabytes of information every single day? I mean, it shouldn't be surprising between social media and TV and all the things. There's just constant mental stimulation at a mind-blowing pace. Like, I remember reading, it's equivalent to what a scholar would have received in a lifetime like a couple hundred years ago. It's no wonder there's anxiety and awkwardness and depression and all the things that it seems like there's so much of that there used to not be. Well, we're just being inundated with information constantly. The reason I share that with you, the more you can eliminate decision fatigue, meaning all the things we have to decide every single day, and make things simple, the easier your life will be. And on 75 Hard, that's what it's all about. Eat the same breakfast, eat the same lunch, eat the same snacks, work out at the same time. You know, mix up your routine, but have a routine. Do the same outdoor workout. Like, make it simple. Don't we're humans are so great at overcomplicating the shit out of things, where if we just simplify the process, it makes it easy to execute. Wear the same shirt every day. Wear black. It's awesome. It goes with everything. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. Folks, day 17 is done. Story time. So over the past, since 2019, I think I've been on 75 Hard or the other phases for 332 days, including today. And in that time, I think I've worked out in the rain like 4 times. So this morning I knew there were storms coming in. It was supposed to rain all day. We're supposed to get more rain. It was just thunder and lightning here just literally 10 minutes ago. I only had one block of time that I could work out this afternoon. I leave the gym, it's raining. I'm coming home to change, get my weight vest on and go outside. I get changed, I got a jacket on, no umbrellas on 75 Hard. I put my hat on, whatever. I go outside, not one drop of rain the entire time I was outside. Not one. I was all prepared for it. So then I'm hot because I got this stupid jacket on and I got a weight vest on top of that, and it is what it is. Anyway, I just think that's odd that in 300 and something days, I've literally only had rain just a handful of times. And a couple times it was intentional. I sought out the weather to go embrace it. But yeah, I just made a plan. I stuck to the plan, and no rain on me today. Maybe tomorrow. Y'all have a great night. Keep making good choices.